Manny found this one. This one is called the Grab, and it says, what does it say right here? I hate when they cover the take incredible one-handed catches, and it includes 2 gloves. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So these are the 2 gloves and the football. Catch like the pros with just one hand. Okay, so this is a one-hander thing. I might need this. This is nice. Okay, again, this one includes 1 football and 2 gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it to the back. All right, that's what it looks like. So you catch like the pros, again, with just one hand. It says 6+. Here's the UPC right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. You guys are not gonna believe this price. This went from $19.88 all the way down to $4.97. So that's like 75, right?
75,
yeah, 75, which is not bad.
Is it has the grip parts here. So
oh, you can feel it.
Ball that sticks to the the tennis ball.
Okay, so it sticks.
Yeah, so the ball, that's why it's one-handed catches, because you could just grab the ball and it sticks to the glove.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you guys see this color, which is the dark blue and the orange. And then this one right here is the light blue and the orange. So this is similar. I think it's just different colors. This one also comes with the football. Oh, this one comes with 1 football and 1 glove. So this one comes with 1 glove, you guys. This one comes with 2. All right, so, but this ball looks a lot bigger. I don't know. But let me turn it around here. This is what it looks like. There's the UPC. All right, so again, here's the UPC. And remember, this color right here only comes with 1 glove. But look at this. It went from $19.88 all the way down to $4.97. So this one's also about 75% off. So you got 2 to choose from. And this is a good idea, you guys. Let us know if you guys score this. All right, you guys. Up next, I found these cute little things. These cups. They're called Snackies. And again, as seen on TV. We're finding a lot of as seen on TV. All right, so it says your snack and drink in 1 cup. Look at that. This is super cute. We plan on doing a couple road trips, so I'm definitely getting these for the kids. I think I have a total of 5. All right, you guys, so this one is for ages 8+. Again, your snack and drink in 1 cup. It features a flip top snap lid, 8-ounce snack cup, 16-ounce drink cup, non-slip grip, and a straw. So that's what it looks like. So I guess they put their drink here and their snacks go right here, right down in here. This is super cute, you guys. All right, here's a better look at it. And again, these are called Snackies. Oh, here it is right here. Look at that. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the UPC. Here's the UPC right here. And I'm about to show you the best part of this. Watch this. This went from $9.88 down to $3.26. Again, $3.26. And I end up getting about 4 or 5 of these. I didn't find the pink one, but I found the blue one. So if you guys see the pink one in your store, which looks like this, right there, make sure you guys scan it because it might be $3.26 in your area.
All right, guys. So my latest find.
That's not yours. Don't even try to take credit. You gotta know Manny is lying.
Whatever.
I actually, hold on a second, let me show him. I actually found this one along with boom and boom and boom and boom, boom, boom.
You can only count it once.
Don't try to take credit.
So Angel found the Granite Stone Diamond Spike Express Electric Grill.
Nice.
You know, they got a bunch of different brands of these. When the one that I wanted when it first came out and I never got it was the George Foreman thing. So that's basically what this is. It's like a George Foreman grill, I think.
Yeah. I mean, as long as it works.
Upgraded though. This is like an upgraded one.
That's a nice one. And here, you gotta tell them what this is because I can't see it on my glasses.
So it has a triple layer non-stick Granite Stone brand with titanium and diamond sparkle look coating.
Okay, so I guess it sparkles right here, and you guys could see as seen on TV. Look at this, you guys.
Grill's 30% faster.
Okay, look at that. That's making me hungry because I'm starving. You guys are not going to believe this find. You guys are not going to believe this price. Oh my God. I think I struck gold with this. All right. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Right here. And again, it grills food 30% faster. Non-stick. All right. So again, it has non-stick grill plates. Easy to clean, which is important. And let me go ahead and show the back. Oh, wait, let me show the side. It has something different. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. All right, and again, as seen on TV. All right, so Manny's eyes are sparkling. You want to know why? Because we scan these, you guys. You know what? Let me show them the UPC. There's the UPC. You guys are going to love us for this one. All right, so we actually scan this, you guys.
Before you even do that.
Okay, go ahead.
This brand right here, I always look for it in like the pots, the pans, and things like that. And it's always expensive. It's never down.
They're hanging on by a thread for this price. Manny's taking all day. Okay, we're going to tell you right now. You guys ready? Okay, before we tell you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah.
All right, and make sure you subscribe.
For sure.
We're going to give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here comes the price. $9.99. $9.99 for this, you guys. I grabbed them. I didn't even care. But what's better is that we checked this price online. Okay, again, in store we're paying $9.99. Watch this.
Well, that was the in-store price there.
Boom. Look at that. $62.50 online.
No, that's the in-store.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the online they don't have it. It says at the store, but that's the in-store what it was.
Oh, okay, so the in-store price was $62.50, you guys. Sorry, I got that wrong. So that was in-store price, $62.50, and today it's only $9.99. $9.99. $9.99. $9.99. I can't even say it right. So we're paying $40 for 4, and one here is $62.50. That's crazy. All right, so there's the $9.99. What I keep saying, $9.99, you guys. That is a great price. Let us know if you guys score. But we found 4 of these. We'll probably keep one and sell the rest. Good luck.